Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Enjoyful Recipes. In today's video, we want to prepare our omena wet fry. Stay with me, watch the video so that I show you how to make delicious omena. So in a sufuria, we want to fry our washed omena until they become dry. Make sure they are brown and dry before setting them aside. It's ready, and we set aside in a clean pan. We fry our onions until they become golden brown. Then we add our garlic and ginger paste. We saute until brown. Then we add onions, sliced onions, salt. You'll allow to saute until the onion breaks down. Then add the stem of coriander or dhania. Cook, add curry powder to give it a flavor. Saute. Then we'll add our fried omena. We'll mix until the sauce mixes with omena to become thick. Then we finish with the leaves of coriander. We allow to boil, steam for some minutes. Then we turn off the heat and our omena is ready. We'll cook our ugali very quickly. Just water and corn flour. Make sure your ugali is well cooked. Allow it to burn a little bit so that it can be nice. Now it's ready to test. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To my subscribers, thank you so much.